Hi Sean, McKenna, Stevie. I was going to try to get some pictures of the birds out here. So, Candy has some pictures of the flowers, so we'll send those to you. And then we'll get some pictures of the birds. Well, I went to get my camera and I scared all the birds off. Ah, here's one. There's a woodpecker. Can you see it there on the little spinner? It's on the feeder now. Very cool. That's a kind of woodpecker. He likes that, it's sugar water that we do for the hummingbirds, but he likes it a lot. Oh, bye. That's it for him. And there's another one over here on the feeder. I can't tell what he is because he's hiding. Here comes another one on this feeder. Shoop. And he ran off. Whoa! I don't know if you saw that or not, but a hawk just flew in and tried to grab a bird. I don't know if I got it on camera or not, but they all ran. He was after the doves that are down on the ground feeding. It's always exciting to watch the birds out here. They do all kinds of wild things. Love you guys. Bye.